everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am finally starting to feel like myself after nearly 2 weeks of being sick with COVID. This new variant is really something else. So stay safe. Yeah, you don't want it. It's pretty terrible. But I wanted to show you that today the Hort Science Camp came and got this bed reseeded and mulched, and we did a huge okra installation, 10 varieties of okra, and a whole bunch of direct seeded flowers, things like cosmos and zinnias, marigolds. Basically at this stage, because we're already in the middle of July, it's really getting a bit late. We're just gonna see what grows and hopefully some cool stuff will happen. But I'm also going to compensate with some vegetative plants that have been stashed in my greenhouse. So I've got 3 amazel basils that just need to be trimmed down and planted, a lemongrass, some sort of tropical gingerish type plant, some peppers, a lemon verbena, and then the rest of the Treasure Island sweet potatoes. So I'm going to get busy getting this garden planted once and for all, and really I just can't wait to see how it all turns out in a few weeks time. And I'm sure it'll actually look awesome this fall in time for the fall open garden, which is set for Saturday, September 24th from noon to 4 p.m. So stay tuned for my progress. Well, it doesn't look like much, but psychologically it's a huge relief to have this bed finished once and for all. It is definitely going to be overplanted because we sowed so much seed today. I've already forgotten all the seeds that we put in. And of course, these sweet potatoes, provided they don't get completely devoured by the deer, will be a great ground cover. Hopefully by the time they really start to take off, the seedlings will be growing up, and I'm really excited to see all these different okras. Again, I don't have expectations that every one of them will grow and thrive, but it'll just be kind of cool to see the differences between the 10 different varieties. And I have some touch-up mulch, but we'll do that tomorrow when Savannah gets back, and we'll be able to officially say that 99% of the beds in this yard have been dealt with for the summer season. Well, I hope more than anything that my videos will show you, first of all, gardening is never perfect, and you just can't really put yourself on too tight of a timeline. I kind of live by the philosophy that there's no such thing as too late, and even if it is technically too late, I can learn from this and make it a bigger priority to get this done earlier next year. But I'm just happy to have it planted, and I want to encourage all of you to get outside and plant if you have some areas that you haven't finished, because, well, what do you have to lose? Go ahead and sow some seeds and see what comes up. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks so much for watching, everybody. Stay healthy and happy gardening.